Well, the construction is a good one. I can say very well, it's a very welcome idea, and the governor is really trying. Though because of this, we have to struggle here and there because of movement. But, you know, for good things to happen, they must surely take some steps. So I believe it's a good idea. So we have to suffer now and better still enjoy it later on.
What I do, what is happening here is just, all I know now, they are doing to do us good. But what they are doing now is affecting us for business.
Okay.
Affecting people to go their job.
Actually, the construction is good, but the timing is very poor. And the way they are doing everything together, they are constructing Umola flyover, you go to artillery, you go to garrison, everything all at the same time. So it's making the poor ones, even those that have cars, you can barely use your cars because everywhere is blocked. And not just these flyovers, other smaller roads, they are doing construction on them. Even the ones, those of us that are trekking everywhere. So the construction is good, but everything being done at the same time is really hectic for us.
Anyway, the construction is affecting us. It's not all that negative because they are doing it for our good. At least we are able to walk, but although there are some blockage in movement and some restrictions.
For the bridge where they do for us now, welcome development, but it affect us where they sell matter, we know they sell again because movement don't divert. But normally before, now this environment that people they from, everybody go stop here, follow here, and we they sell well. But on a normal circumstance, we know they sell where they sell again.
The flyover where they do, it really affects me personally because no road to go market. Even if you go the market safe, when you come back, they go stop you far place, and you get to trek before you reach
with your load
where you they go. With your heavy load though.
This one is the worst bridge I've ever seen because since I started this bridge, started to come to school, I've been going to school early, but this time I drop at the other side, I trek my leg before I reach school, almost time for exam, like this exam period now, almost time for exam, or sometimes I almost miss 10 minutes outside the hall. So I think this bridge is causing so much of hold up. And not again now. We are no more following the major road now, we are now following this avenue, sometimes this avenue, which also help obstruct our movement also.
Definitely, anything that has development comes with some inconveniences. For now, there are traffics and all that, but I believe at the end of the day, the bridge is going to make everything look all good and transportation easier and faster. But for now, everybody's suffering it.
Wherever development is taking place, indirectly or directly, it will affect citizens. You understand? But we know the negative side is for a movement. You know, the good side is what we hope to enjoy more. You understand? That's what I'm saying. Wherever development is taking place, you know, you have to suffer some things. Thereafter, you start enjoying it. I think that's what we're going through now.